Welcome back my dear friend. In this tutorial you will learn remove password, pin or pattern lock from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. First unlock your phone, go to settings. In the settings page scroll down slowly. This time you can find the security and privacy option, tap on it and wait to open the page. After this page is open, find the lock screen option, click on it. Then verify to enter your phone screen password. After you verified, you can go to the next page. Here you can see various options. Scroll through the page, locate the none option, click on it, then confirm by tapping remove data, then tap on it again. And you have successfully done. To check this process work, simply lock your phone and try to unlock it, and this time no require any password pin, but I recommend if you can always add a password to your phone, so this is very good decision. If you decide to add a password again on your lock screen from your Samsung phone, simply go to lock screen option, then choose the method if you want to set. For example, I am set this pattern, so tap on pattern option, then enter your new pattern lock, tap on continue, then re-enter the pattern again. Once you have successfully re-entered, tap on confirm option and you have successfully done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, also subscribe to my channel.